Let us have some fun with clay. So first of all, we'll make few fruits using clay. So I am taking clay of red color, yellow color and green color. I am forming a circle out of the red colored clay and making a shape of a strawberry. Now I am using yellow clay to make the dots of the strawberry. And then I am going to use the green colored clay to make the stick of the strawberry. And our little strawberry is ready. Now I am taking some green colored clay to make grapes. For the grapes, we have to make circles, and the kids can easily make circles using their palms. Then we have to take clay of any other color. Suppose I am taking brown colored clay, and we have to make a stick of the circle. And then we can arrange the grapes as shown. Now moving on to common vegetables, I am taking green colored clay and we are going to form ladyfinger, which is favorite of all the kids. So just we have to press and form the shape using their fingers. Then we can take a scale to make the lines of the ladyfinger, and it's ready. Now let's make another one, a common one, that is carrot. In the similar way, we have to create the shape of the carrot also. Then we can use the green colored clay to make this shape of the carrot. We can use a pencil to poke the carrot, and it's ready. Now we are going to create common water animals. So for this, first of all, we are going to make octopus. I have taken clay of brown color and I have divided it into two equal parts. From one part I have rolled it out into a circle, and from the other part I have taken 8 circles, and now I am going to form the tentacles of the octopus. This can be easily done by the kids and they are going to find it very interesting. We can use clay of any other color to create the eyes of the octopus. Now let us make another common water animal, that is jellyfish. For this we have to take clay and then we have to make a circle out of it. Then we have to flatten it, and using a scale we have to cut it into a semicircle. Then kids can take clay of any color and they can have to make tentacles of the jellyfish and make it beautiful. Can you see it is looking so colorful? We can make as many as tentacles as we want. Then using any other clay color we can make the eyes to complete our figurine. And thank you so much.